This right here, this massive post from Threads is exactly why I tell you do not list your prices per this bride's request, because you want to avoid this kind of bride. And I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of this, the solution for this, and why you should never listen to this type of a client. So her name is Rachel, and congrats Rachel if you see this on your engagement and your upcoming wedding. I think it's going to be beautiful. But what was not beautiful is how you address photographers. So first of all, don't call us dudes. Like, that's not professional, but you're looking for professional demeanor. Number two, when you say I'm not even going to respond to the price, if you don't have your prices listed, you can't be bothered to call us. You have told us what kind of client you are. Now, to my photographers, to my videographers, and my filmmakers, you already know that I fight hard for you. So I'm going to give you the case of two Rachels. Good Rachel, bad Rachel. Artist-friendly Rachel, budget-friendly Rachel. And I want to say, I shouldn't have to say this, but I want to say, just because you don't have a budget doesn't mean you're a bad person. It's how you address that and how you treat other creatives makes you a bad person in my channel. She has said that if you don't even have a price, I'm not even going to call you dudes. Well, guess what, dude? I teach people not to list their prices, to specifically avoid people like yourself. You have told us that you are loyal to the discount, loyal to the budget. Now, we all are to a certain extent, but you have really said you're not even going to bother calling them or having a conversation. And you're demanding and you're putting it out there, trying to cause a big wave in our world. But I'll tell you why. 3 reasons. Birds of a feather flock together. So you, your friends, your family, just the people in your circle are like you. So once somebody deals with a client that is like you, once somebody deals with a client that is loyal to the discount, the whole community is loyal to the discount. Now, good Rachel, hello Rachel, is the kind of client that we want. She also wants a good deal, but she understands that there's artistry and good work may cost money. And she understands that she's going to talk to the artist and she's going to see what they're about and see if it's an energy connection. And if she has to make some adjustments. See, this Rachel hangs out with other Rachels just like her. She has her own community. And so she's going to tell people that are just like her about you. Do you want this community or do you want this community? And I'll tell you 2 major reasons why I want you to pick this community, and I'll also give you the solution, the obvious solution for this. You're going to be punished because when we say, this is my price, let's just say $1,000 for easy math. But if you're a member of my VBA, Visual Business Academy, which is free on Discord, you got to apply to get in there. It's like 2 minutes, but it's free. You know that $1,000 is unacceptable for wedding photography. But let's still stick with that for example's sake. Once you do $1,000, I clocked you at $1,000. My next step is to beat $1,000 because I'm going to gamify it. I'll give you an example. You go and you do on your phone, like the GPS, like, oh, I'm going to go to my friend's house. You type in the address and it says 32 minutes. You leave at 10 a.m. and it says estimated time of arrival is 10:32 a.m. But not me and not people like me. I don't say, oh, I'm going to get there at 10:32. I think to myself, 10:32? That's the time to beat. I don't care if I even beat it by a minute. I want to be proud that I beat that time. It's a little weird game that I do, and a lot of people do that. So when you say $1,000, they're like, not me. I'm going to see how low I can get this. And then once they know it, they tell the people in their community, I got them for $975. Then the sister-in-law is like, I'm going to see if I can get them for $950. You see how that works? The second way that you get punished by this lovely group here is that, okay, so you go put gasoline in your car. You have no choice, but you have to put gas in your car. And you remember that price. And if, let's say, California prices, it's $4.32 a gallon. The next week, it's gone to $4.54. You're like, damn it, Chevron. Damn it, Shell. How did you guys raise your prices? This sucks, man. We need this, whatever. You're disgruntled. So you've now attached a negative connotation to that price, to that company, and that exact business. And if they raise it up, you're frustrated because gasoline you have to, or you're going to start shopping around, right? I'll go find that Arco on the way home. What if you put $1,000 and you bring yourself up a year later to 1,100? They're not loyal to you. They're loyal to the discount. They're going to start shopping around. They have a negative connotation towards you. We don't want to mess with these people. Now let's talk about these good people. These Rachels, of course, want the best deal also. They understand that good things cost money and that you have to respect that. So they're going to get on the call with you and they're going to say, I don't know what their prices are, but I just want to see because the photos, because the videos are just so beautiful. So you get on the phone, they're like, God, it was such a good connection. I really enjoyed our conversation. You know what? Your price is a little bit above, but can you just give me a soft hold? That means hold it for like 2 days as a courtesy. I'm going to talk to my fiance, I'm going to talk to my family and see what we can do. We'll move some money around. See, if this Rachel loves you, she's loyal to the artistry. This Rachel is loyal to the discount. This Rachel is loyal to the artist, the artistry, the process. Because long after the food is gone, long after the drinks are gone, long after the venue has been cleaned up and the tux and the bride, the gown has been put away, it's your work that's going to last. And so you want to charge the fair value for that. And you want to grow with these people, and these people are going to allow you to grow. They're not going to lock you into a price, and they're going to tell their community what a phenomenal artist you are. If you want tech support for your business, like you're like, I'm an artist, I can't do this business mumbo jumbo. I just don't know how to charge. I don't know how to like protect myself and copyrights and usage rights, and it's too much. Join VBA. It's free. Join VBA and get the support that you need. Any level, any type of video, any type of photo. Get off the trenches of the internet and join a safe space. That's why we created VBA. All right? That's linked below. Rachel, congrats on your wedding. Congrats on your wedding. That's all I can say to you.